Construction is one of the oldest industries on Earth. For thousands of years, it's been back-breaking, dangerous, and slow. But in the past few months, something has changed. The construction site is no longer just a place for hammers and nails. It's becoming a laboratory for the most advanced robotics in human history. We're not just talking about machines that help humans, we're talking about machines that are the crew. The world is facing a crisis. We are short millions of skilled workers, and housing costs are at an all-time high. The autonomous revolution. Take a look at this. This isn't a movie set. It's a 3D printer capable of printing the structural walls of a home in under 48 hours. No framing, no scaffolding, and zero waste. While a traditional crew might take weeks to reach the stage, this machine does it with the push of a button, and it works through the night. But it's not just about houses. Companies like Built Robotics are transforming the heavy equipment we've used for decades. Using exosystem technology, they've turned standard excavators into fully autonomous robots. Using LiDAR and GPS, these machines can dig trenches with millimeter accuracy, avoiding underground pipes that a human might miss. They don't get tired, they don't get distracted, and they don't need a salary. Perhaps the most wow factor comes from site monitoring. Meet the dogs of the construction world. These robots roam active sites, scanning every inch to compare the real-world progress against the digital blueprint in real time. If a pipe is 1 inch off-center, the system catches it before the concrete is even poured. This is Agentic AI in the physical world. We aren't just building faster, we're building smarter. The question isn't if robots will take over the site, it's how fast we can learn to work alongside them. Is this the future of housing? Or are we losing the human touch? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see more tech that's changing the world, hit that subscribe button. A 2BY Consult, your partner in construction, man.